ya waita kakwa EPS wan
we are launching the task force on sand harvesting policy and management, which we have constituted to help our county to come up with the procedures, to come up with the regulations, and to come up with modalities of how sand harvesting and management will be undertaken in our county. All concerns, people thinking they are going to be displaced after we put the task force in place. The task force is not there to investigate. I've seen in social media posts or even in some mainstream media using the word investigate. We are not investigating anyone. We are put a task force to advise us how we are going to put order or to bring order in that particular sector.